Good day everyone. How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the football player transition animation for free, and we will use the Pixverse application. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So guys, the first step you need to do is, of course, install this Pixverse application first. And don't worry because this app can be also installed into your Android or the iOS phone. And as soon as the installation process is done, then you can simply open it. And also don't forget to do the login first with your email so that this app will give you the several credits up here. And this is the look of the template that you would, if you would like to create animation from this template. And for the homepage, it will show you several creations from another users. And since we would like to create the transition animation, then I will go to the searching section on the template here, and I will type transition and enter it. And after that, I will click this transition, click use template. I will continue to click use template. And as you can see that this animation will need two pictures, and I will upload it from my gallery. You can go first of the first picture. For example, I will start off from this picture. And for the second picture, I will choose this one and click finish. And after that, as you can see that this animation will need 20 credits. And since we have 60 credits to go, so it will be enough to do that. So I will continue to click create and kindly wait for the generation process. And while waiting for the process of generating, then you can simply explore about this application. You can simply check the picture of another people, and you can also actually use the template. And if you noticed before that we have the notification up here, but if you missed that, then don't worry because we can see it from the notification menu up here. I'm sorry, the down here. And let's see the result. Okay, this is the transition effect, guys. And actually, the transition is not really smooth, but it can be also as your consideration if you would like to post it into your social media to create the content. And if you would like to download it, then you can click this button or this button. And if you would like to show it into your social media, then you can simply choose this one of the platform that has been provided down here. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.